Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an intuition test. You guys know and love this. Pick a stick. So I'm gonna have you pick a stick between 1 and 17. I'm gonna pick 9. Was 10? Did you pick 10? Also, I want to try this out. Oh, that sounds nice. Okay. So basically what we're going to do, I am going to scramble all these up. And you're going to have to pick a number 1 through 17, right? Just normal. But I'm going to pick one, and that one's going to be out. So if you pick that number, then you're going to be out for the rest of the video. You're still going to be able to play along, but you're just like, well, I don't know. So we're just gonna, and every time you're gonna have to pick a new number, and we're gonna keep doing this until there's one number left, and if that was your number, then you win. So starting off, pick a number 1 through 17. I'm gonna play along too. I'm gonna pick 12. What do you pick? Got it. You know, they actually never pick 12. So maybe, did you pick 1? So 1 is out. Now pick a new number. Got it? Okay. So now, what's gonna happen? Basically, wait, yeah, that's gonna be it for the rest of the video. So, another thing. If you guys have seen some of my other videos with pick a stick, you know that 5 is the most lucky number here. I always pick it. I'm gonna go for 5. I'm gonna be lucky. I'm gonna be bold. 8. Did you pick 8? If you picked 8 last time, you're lucky. I'm gonna go for 11. Which number do you pick? 3. So remember, 1, 8, and 3 are out, so you cannot pick these anymore. Alright, pick a new number. I'm gonna go 17. Let's see if I can make it further than you guys. 11. I was almost out. Okay, amazing. I'm gonna go for 9 this time. No way. 17. History repeats itself. This one's gonna be 9, so I'm gonna pick 2. Which one do you guys pick? Also, there's a few that are like mishapped, like this 2. There is another 2 in there though, so it's not like this 2 is like a little bit messed up. And I think there's an archer one in here. Really quick, I'm just gonna grab that one, pull it out. Where is it? Nope. There it is. This is the archer stick. So I'm gonna take that out too. Okay, now I pick, what did I pick? 2. I picked 2. It was 14. If you guys picked 14, then you are out. I'm gonna go for, I'm not gonna go for 13. That's my unlucky number. No, never. So I'm gonna go 15. 16. I kid you not, I was about to pick this. I know there's no way to prove it, but I was like, yeah. So now we only have a few left. Are you guys still in? If you're not, feel free to play along. I'm gonna go for 4. Which one do you guys go for? 6. Okay, I'm gonna go for 5 again. How about you? Got it. Please don't be 5. It's 4. Really close. Okay, I'm gonna go 7 this time. How about you? 9. I'm gonna go for one that I haven't picked yet. No, 14's out. I'm gonna go. Have I picked 12? I think 12 might be out. 12 is in. 12 is in. So I'm gonna go 12 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. I'm gonna go 12. That's 13's out. I'm so glad it didn't win. It's my unlucky number. Also 12 is like my second lucky number, I guess. Well, 24 is my lucky number, as some of you guys may know. But, my brother's baseball number is 12, so that's like always number 2 for me, if 24 is not an option. I'm gonna go 7 this time. 2. I'm getting very nervous because there are only 5 left. Let's review these. We have 12, 10, 5, 15, and 7. I don't think I've called 10 yet. I'm gonna go 10. How about you? 12. Are you guys still with me? 4 left. I could win this. I'm super excited. Let's go 7. 5. The final 3. 7, 15, and 10. Alright, now look. This one. Okay, 2 left. 7 and 15. I want to stick with 7, but oh man. I'm gonna stick with, no, I'm gonna go 15. I'm gonna go 15. Seven. 15. Let's go. No way. No way. Woo. Woo. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that. I cannot believe that. How is that possible? Okay. I doubt many of you beat me. I'm gonna play another round of this. You know, why not? Why not, for you guys to redeem yourself? This can be a long video then. Let's go! Whew. Okay. Oh man, that was awesome. I can't believe that I actually won. That's awesome. Alright, new round. Let's see if you can redeem yourself. I'm gonna go 12. 7 again. 7 again. Okay. I'm gonna go 15. 15's a good number. 1. Wasn't 1 the first last time? 8. We're gonna have to go a little bit quicker with this one. 13. So get your numbers in quick. 9. 8. 11. 10. 3. 15. 5. 11. 17. 3. 6. 6. So I'm out. If you guys are still in, nice job. I'm gonna still play, but I'm like, you know, out. So I'm gonna go 16. 17. You know what? I'm actually not gonna pick. I'm gonna let you guys pick. I'm out. I'm not gonna do this. You guys pick 14. Next up, we're going to have 9. 5. I gotta go quick. I'm sorry. 4. 3 left. You can only pick 16, 2, and 12. I hope 12 wins, but second place would definitely be 2 because of the color, and then I guess the class for me would be 16. Only 12 and 2 left. So, if you guys made it to the end, congratulations. You gotta give yourself a point. Tell me, guys, how many of these did you win? Did you win any? Thank you guys so much for playing. Have a good rest of your day. See you in the next video. I can't believe I won that first one. That was awesome. Bye.